Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Ethereal, where we dive into the latest and most fascinating tech developments. Today, we've got an exciting lineup, ranging from space exploration to cutting-edge robotics. Let's jump right in. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so at first, Elon Musk's AI startup, X.AI, has filed with the SEC to raise up to $1 billion in an equity offering. It has already raised nearly $135 million from 4 investors and has a binding and enforceable agreement for the purchase of the remaining shares. The startup released an AI chatbot with real-time knowledge of the internet called Grok last month. It aims to directly compete with companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. Next up, SpaceX and NASA may be demonstrating orbital refueling technology on the next Starship test flight. NASA has yet to make a decision on when to start testing the capability. Cryogenic propellants must be kept at super low temperatures or they turn into a gas and boil off. Rockets using these types of propellants typically need to complete their missions within hours. NASA wants to extend this lifetime to months and enable the transfer of the propellants from one vehicle to another. The first humanoid robot factory is about to open. Agility Robotics is building a manufacturing facility in Salem, Oregon, that will eventually pump out 10,000 bipedal robots a year. The RoboFab will open early next year. Agility Robotics Digit is the first commercially available human-shaped robot designed for warehouse work. Deliveries of the robots will start in 2024. Why it matters? Well, Agility Robotics says that its RoboFab manufacturing facility will be the first to mass-produce humanoid robots, which could be nimbler and more versatile than their existing industrial counterparts. Where it stands, Agility has produced about 100 robots since its founding in 2016 and plans to move Digit production from its Tangent, Oregon headquarters to the more spacious 70,000 square foot RoboFab facility in the coming months. Finally, introducing StyleX. StyleX is an expressive, deterministic, reliable, and scalable styling system. It was carefully designed to meet the requirements of large application, reusable component libraries and statically typed code bases. StyleX is fully typed and supports an expressive subset of CSS. It takes the developer experience of CSS in JS libraries and uses compile-time tooling to bridge it with the performance and scalability of static CSS. StyleX is designed to be fast at both compile time and runtime. The Babel transforms do not significantly slow down builds. At runtime, StyleX entirely avoids the costs associated with using JavaScript to insert styles at runtime and does little more than efficiently combine class name strings when necessary. And the generated CSS is optimized for size, ensuring that the styles for even the largest websites can be quickly parsed by browsers. StyleX is designed to scale to extremely large code bases, like the ones we have at Meta. The origins of StyleX. The previous Facebook website used something akin to CSS modules and suffered from various problems that inspired the initial idea for CSS in JS. The average visitor to Facebook would download tens of megabytes of CSS, much of it unused. In order to optimize the initial load, we would lazy load our CSS, which would, in turn, lead to slow update or interaction to next paint times. And there you have it, a tech-packed adventure covering Starship in-orbit refueling, the birth of humanoid robots, and etc. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates right here on Ethereal. Until next time, techies.